Good day. My name is Werner. I'm a qualified educator with a bachelor degree in education and over 5 years combined online and in-class teaching experience. Over the past 5 years, I've worked with children, teenagers, and adult learners, helping students build confidence, improve fluency, and communicate clearly in real life situations. I specialize in structuring engaging lessons that are interactive, supportive, and adapted to each student's level and learning style. My teaching approach is student centered and encouraging. I focus on creating a calm but positive classroom where students feel comfortable in making mistakes and motivated to improve. I believe clear consistency and patience are the key to successful learning. I'm passionate about online education because it allows me to connect with learners from different cultures while delivering high quality professional lessons in a supportive online environment. I would love the opportunity to contribute my experience and teaching passion to your company. Thank you very much for your time and consideration. Until then,